Good evening, students. Today this class is for 8th class. So our second model of construction of quadrilateral is SSSSD. So SSSD and side diagonal. That means we need 5 measurements to construct a quadrilateral. So here they gave the 5 measurements as 4 sides and 1 diagonal. So this is one example for this one. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB is equal to 4 centimeters, BC is equal to 3.6 centimeters, CD is equal to 4.2 centimeters, AD is equal to 4.8 centimeters and AC is equal to 5 centimeters. So first of all, our first step is to construct draw a rough sketch. That is, our quadrilateral is ABCD. Okay, so ABCD, and here our base is 4 centimeters. So AB is equal to 4 centimeters, BC is equal to 3.6 centimeters, CD is equal to 4.2 centimeters, AD is equal to 4.8 centimeters. And here one diagonal they gave, that is AC. So AC is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, so this is our rough diagram and original diagram. So see here, first of all we have to draw base. Base means this is base AB. So AB is equal to 4 centimeters. So first draw AB as 4 centimeters with the help of a ruler. Ruler means scale. Okay, so this is AB 4 centimeters. And next in rough diagram, see, BC is equal to 3.6 centimeters. So BC, so take the radius as 3.6 centimeters and draw an arc with taking center as B. So this is 3.6 centimeters arc. And then AC is 5 centimeters. So మనం ఫస్ట్ ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్ని కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో 5 centimeters AC diagonal ఇచ్చారు కదా. So taking A as center and with radius 5 centimeters, draw an arc. Okay, and these two arcs meet at point C. This is C. Join BC and join AC also. Join AC. Okay, so we get a triangle ABC, but we need to construct a quadrilateral. So again take the radius 4.8 centimeters with the center A. Okay, so 4.8 centimeters. So this is 4.8 centimeters. So I am drawing an arc taking 4.8 centimeters. Okay, this is that arc, and then taking C as center with 4.2 radius. So 4.2 radius. So 4.2 radius and taking with center C. Draw an arc, and these two arcs meet at a point, and that point of intersection is taken as D. Okay, join AC. Join CD. So we get ABCD quadrilateral. So here 3.6 centimeters and here 5 centimeters and here 4.2 centimeters and this is 4.8 centimeters. Okay, and this is original diagram. And then now steps of construction. Our first step is draw rough sketch with given measurements. Okay, and second step, సో సెకండ్ స్టెప్ ఏంటి, మనం ఏబీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4 centimeters. Draw AB is equal to 4 centimeters with scale. Third one, draw arc with radius 3.6 centimeters, taking B as center, and another arc with radius 5 centimeters, taking A as center. Okay, the point of intersection is C. Okay, and fourth point, so draw an arc with radius 4.2 centimeters, taking C as center,